it's Hui Ming here, and in this video you will learn how to set up points and loyalty program for your brand with EasyStore. With these points that your customers have accumulated from their past purchase, they can actually exchange it with vouchers or some exclusive perks from your brand. In return, the more customers spend, the more they will be rewarded. But before that, we need to set it up first. Once you've logged in into your EasyStore account, you can click on Customers, click Points and Membership. So this is where you can actually kickstart your points and membership settings. But before that, we will start off with point management first, and later on we will go through membership tiers. So I'll click on the pencil icon here and we'll start off with the point branding. So this is how you can actually name your loyalty points. So a very general one, maybe we name it as points, right? Some people prefer to call it coins. And if you're selling coffee bean, you can actually name it as beans. So coming down to points earning, so this is by default where customers will earn based on their purchases. So you can click on the pencil icon to set it up as well. So for the status, you can choose to enable or disable it. And the earning formula would be customers spend every 1 ringgit equals to how many points. So here we put 1. And maybe in some situation where you would like to exclude some products from points earning, yes, you can do so. So how to do it? You just need to click on Add Products. Select the products that you would like to exclude from points earning. For example, Blue Puffer Comfort. So these two products are excluded from points earning, meaning to say that if Hui Ming buy these two products, I won't get any points from these two items. So once all looking great, you can click Save. And we'll head up to the second setting, which is you can actually add, right? So points earning is not just limited to make a purchase. It can be done through 2 more methods, which is new sign up and celebrate a birthday. So we'll click on new sign up. So similar settings for status, you can set whether if you want to enable it or disable it. And for the reward, during registration, customers will receive how many points. For example, if Hui Ming sign up for an account with you, how much points that I will be entitled as a new sign up. So maybe you give off 50 points. Save it. And the third point earning would be celebrate a birthday. So it can be like a birthday perks, birthday points. Okay, so we click into it. Same setting. You can choose to enable or disable it and how many points that you would like to reward these customers for their birthday. So maybe birthday we give 100 lah. And then we click Save as well. So these are the main 3-point earning that customers can actually collect points. Then they can actually use it for their next purchase, whether to treat it as a voucher or to exchange item from your brand. The next one would be point redemption. Is referring to if customers proceeded to check out, how would they or can they redeem the points? Okay, so if yes, click enable. Okay, and how many points that customer apply would be how many ringgit discount. So for example, I said here, you apply 100 equals to 1 ringgit discount, and here you can see the reward rate as well. So spend 100 ringgit to earn 100 points, but then when it comes to reward, it will be 100 points equals to 1 ringgit. And coming down to some of the general setting as well, such as point usage condition. So let's say if you have a minimum spend to only be entitled for this points redemption, you can click on this minimum purchase required. So Hui Ming must have at least spent 150 ringgit, then only she can collect the points. Okay? And here is set points usage cap per order. Meaning to say that, for example, if Hui Ming got 2,000 points, okay, and how many can I actually use it for my order? You can actually set it by percentage of order amount. Maybe I can only use up to 10%, okay, or a fixed amount of maybe 30 ringgit or 30 points per order only. Okay? Coming down to points expiring. So let's say if you are okay to make it as a lifetime, you can set it never expired. But then if you would like to create some sort of urgency to actually let customers redeem the points or to exchange it, you can set expiration. Okay? So you can set the points whether to be expired in 3, 6 or even 12 months. So maybe we set it as 12 months here. So if all okay, remember to click Save. and we can head back out. So here will be some of the point setting summary where you can see points earning rate, spend every 1 ringgit equals to 1 point, and points redemption rate is use every 100 points to get 1 ringgit discount. Now point setting has been done, okay, and if you would like to step up your loyalty games, you can actually divide them into several tierings. So customers are entitled for different perks and benefit based on how much they actually spend with your brand, which come to this membership tier setting here. Here I already have preset some of the settings. As you can see, we have silver, gold, platinum. So meaning to say that if Hui Ming actually spend up to around 500 ringgit, above than 300, so I would be in gold tier. So let's say if you want to add another new tiers, right, you can actually click on add membership tier, and this is where you can set your tiers settings. So we can actually give this tier a name, so maybe I'll name it as diamond. Okay? Membership period, whether if you want it to be a lifetime or a custom period, you can set it as well. So custom period 3, 6 or 12 months. Okay? And for the tier card image, there are 2 settings. So first is a very general one where you can upload your logo, change the background color, change the font color, and it will look like this here on the right hand side. But then if you have some ready image for your tiers, right, you can actually switch to customize image, and then you can upload your image. Okay, so the recommended size would be 500 times 300 pixel. I will show you how it looks like later on. So stay tuned until the end so you can visualize on how it will look like from customer's point of view. Head down to membership upgrade where there will be upgrade condition. So here is cumulative total spend. For example, customers need to spend how much to be upgraded to a higher tier. Earlier on, we have set silver, gold, and platinum, right? So here you can see as well, silver is 300, gold is 500, and platinum is 1000. So maybe we put a little bit slightly higher. We put 12000. Okay? So whether if you want it to be accumulative or it has to be a single order spend. So here is actually accumulative lah. So it can be Hui Ming purchase maybe for 6 months up to 1200. Then it will be upgraded, or in a single purchase have to be 1000 ringgit 200. Then you can tick on it and you can put a general amount lah. Okay, be it by 1200 or a single spend have to be 100 ringgit. Total spend in a single order. And here is the member extension. So in some situation, maybe your customers have accumulated a certain points and it expired. So how would they like to extend or activate it back? They must have at least spent maybe 100 ringgit. Okay, this is how you put it in. And the spending validity period, for example, I already expired this month, December, right? In order to actually extend it, I have to spend at least 100 ringgit within 3, 6 or 12 months. So this is to create the urgency to let customers know that if you are not purchasing, it will be expired. Okay, so you need to spend at least a minimum of 100 ringgit within these 3 months in order to extend or activate your membership. Okay? And then coming to this very exclusive point formula, since we are creating membership tiers, so each membership tiers would have different points formula. So here you can set customer spend every 1 ringgit equals to how many points. So maybe this is the highest tier, diamond, so we put 5. And how many customers apply? So for example, customer apply 100 points equals to 1 ringgit reward, and you will see some of the reward rate from here as well. And if you like to set expiration for this, you can tick on it and you can select point expire in 3, 6 or 12 months. Okay? This is the interesting part where each of the tiering would be entitled for different discounts or different voucher. So maybe in some situation, maybe you are more familiar. For my situation is maybe Sephora. So Sephora, they have 3 tiers, right? And the highest tier, normally they will get the opportunity to actually know what are the new arrivals. So Sephora will actually open the new products to the highest tiers customers first. So you can actually set it that way to provide more exclusivity for the customers that actually spend more with you. So once all good, you can click save and we can head out to the general overview here. And you must be wondering, if I set already, where can my customers see it? So let's follow me through the website. So this is the website, and please make sure that your customers is logged in or already signed up as a member so they can actually know which tiers are they. So when they log in, they can just directly click on my profile. And this is where they will see their information. So for example, here, account details. Hui Ming is actually in platinum. It just spent another 1,000 ringgit more to actually upgrade to diamond member. And how long would it expire? Also, it's not expiring next year. And auto renewal with accumulated spend at 150 ringgit. Okay, so here you can see some of the general information, and this is what customers will be seeing as well. So they can click view all tiers. They can see the tiers that you have actually set through the system. So this was the earlier one, which we didn't input the image, but no worries. So this is the silver, gold, platinum, and the ones that we set earlier is diamond. Okay, so this is diamond. Alright, so customers can actually view it here from as well. So after this video, you can kickstart your points and membership program. So letting customers to keep coming back to you for more to collect and redeem their points.